By the Swedish west coast, in the beautiful surroundings near Varberg, we find the Karlsson family. In the newly constructed Swedish red house, owner Sven Karlsson installed a fireplace for a cosy atmosphere and CO2 neutral heating. Unfortunately, using the fireplace was not as satisfying for Sven and his wife as they'd hoped. Sven Karlsson explains. For a long while, we tried to keep a fire going without getting any smoky air or smell in the house. But no matter what we did, we never managed. We opened the doors and windows and so on, in order to get rid of the smell, but with no luck. So we installed a chimney fan, and since then we haven't had any issues with smoke in the house. We chose a basic chimney fan model, and I find it incredibly easy to maintain the fire with it. It's very easy to regulate to your desired effect. We're very happy with the product, and I can highly recommend it. Since our house is equipped with an exhaust air heat pump, there's a vacuum from within the house, and this means that if you have a somewhat larger opening, the smoke will go the wrong way and end up inside the house instead of outside the chimney. I believe that a lot of people have a need for this solution when they have an exhaust air heat pump. It would solve a lot of problems in many households to install an Exodraft chimney fan on their chimney. The chimney fan from Exodraft mounted on Sven's chimney ensures an immediate and consistent chimney draft while simultaneously reducing the emissions of particles by 80% in the living room and 20% outside near the chimney. The result is an optimal chimney draft that produces a clear and stable flame in addition to a more efficient fuel consumption. At Exodraft, we know what we're talking about. We've been manufacturing chimney fans since 1957, and today we are the world's leading supplier of chimney fans to both private customers, public institutions, and industrial corporations. Visit us at www.exodraft-chimneyfans.co.uk and find a dealer near you.